Hey, Kimmy.
Yes?
Can I borrow the,
No talking, shut up now!
Oh dear.
What'd I say, Kimmy?
Oh, stop talking.
And you're still talking, shut up and get out! Stop crying, crying makes noise!
Boss, are you crazy?
No, but you're
genius?
talking, stop talking! No more talking! That's a new rule I started today, so I want silence, you hear me? Do you hear me? Huh? Hello? I want silence, I said, do you hear me? Hey, I'm talking to you. Answer me when I'm talking to you. Get me? You low-life, you low-class employee? Huh? Man, is she deaf or what? A note, it says, Boss, follow your own advice and shut up. I quit. What? Oh, that's ridiculous. Man. Oh.